Chuti, or Papa Peppy, Socorro Papa Peppy, Obamu red bante. What I say? Obamu potato chips, Obamu grass down and the gallon soup. What I say? We a baby. You can take it to do everything about my life, you know. For time something in catch. Because share why you can Hollywood kaka. Oh yeah, let me shoot movie be. Many all those kind of one more commando na bet. We have sakwa here and many lewe kesban we feature me feature lewe ne kesban na making me not. Odd man for ya, you know. Me a busy on fatches on to make. And I was one friend of
Yes, my busy.
Oh, sorry, because I'm like, everybody's busy. Oba is busy, one way busy, Papa is busy, Asofa is busy, Obi is busy, Akata for is busy, Ghana for is busy, Lebanese for is busy, India for is busy. Everybody is busy because if you are not busy, you not get dollar. Ah, bombo crats. Best thing I know, lady. I'm ready to fool. I'll come ready. I'm ready because by fool ready say they bow life mangasa. I'm enter your life to solve everything. Any promise you, I can solve for you. Oh, forget. Oh my dirty. Oh, party home. Say who without done that. Forget all what you do. Baby, me na no kasa. What you say? The poor one kasa. The show one kasa. But me shama baby, but you know what I'm a kumasu. You put in my heart what I'm a kumasu. What I say? And I want to say minim as when you as you're too young, you're too old. And you know, I can't show when you don't want to Sammy now all day. Order ye way, Sammy now order. Hey, who took you one the criminal? Sammy now all day. Order ye way, Sammy now order. Hey, I'm coming film and film vocal. No, be no curve. You know, because no one market. Come on. We jump from Pumpa. But I'm joking. Don't worry. I'm from some more legit. Oh, sorry. Why?
What's going on?
Yes, sir. My friend. That's
What's it?
That's fair.
Listen, I heard about you, man. This is New York City.
What do you mean?
No.
You're from Ghana.
It doesn't matter where I'm from.
What's your Uku?
Already put in 10 years already.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry,
sir.
talking to you, man. Nigga.
Sorry, sir. What's your name?
Listen.
Sorry.
Talking to you.
Yes, sir. I don't know, sir.
Yo.
Sorry, sir.
Move on. If you're not from Muna,
yes,
don't even look here.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
Why are lucky? Why are lucky? Say Trump made president.
If you Ghana.
Lucky, my nigga.
You're Ghana. When in the movie, that's it.
Muna, don't even look here.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Eh? Like I said,
Ghana do to
like I said, why not say Trump made president?
Yes, sir.
You heard?
You
You heard?
It been here, please. It been here. Pacho, man, from film. Why? Yenya at least. Why?
Why you? Listen.
I just
talk to me. Listen. You understand?
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir. Understand. Pacho, you Ghana. I'm Ghana.
You still talking to them, my nigga?
Oh yeah.
Move on.
Move
on, nigga. Good?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Masa, okay, tell me fuck my mom, fuck my mother. You two fuck my mom, fuck your father, and fuck your hometown people. Stupid man. Masa, I had a Ghana and single for you. Some American info be a Ghana. A hobby, you know. If you come to Ghana, be a hobby. You can stand back, somebody back. Yes, so be a cheat. We now say, I make a day. You pay actually. Then stop. Then the woman now will come to faculty. Anna, hey, man. Anna. Oh, fuck off. Yes, you two, the same to you. You two, fuck you. Okay, remember, Papa. You two, fuck mom, fuck dad, fuck family, fuck hometown. As I my people, all towns. Fuck. I see.